Good morning everyone. In last period we see the plant fiber also and animal fiber also. Plant fiber core will be there. Okay. Cotton will be there, and in animal fiber we see wool and silk. So after that we see now synthetic fiber means what? Then synthetic fiber, what is the use of this synthetic fiber? You know, cotton will be used, silk will be used. Silk will be used from the animal. Which animal? A cocoon. Silkworms will be there. But some people says that this silkworm, when we can dye then only silk can get. So this is wrong. But we can use it, all type of material we can use it, because we need it. Our main things, three basic needs are food, shelter and clothes will be there. So clothes means our basic need. So we can continue it. We can use animal fiber also and plant fiber also. But with this plant or animal fiber, we also require synthetic fiber. What means by synthetic fiber? We can see it. The fiber, first definitions are very important. The fiber obtained artificially by chemical process called as synthetic fiber. Don't forget, definition is always important. In short, I will write what is the definition. The fiber obtained from artificially by chemical. I will write here. Obtained by artificially by chemical process. Obtained artificially by chemical process. It is called synthetic fiber. Means this synthetic fiber we get it with artificially, but chemical reactions are also present. Chemical process are also present. So this is not like a cotton. Cotton is very useful. We can use it in every climate. But synthetic fiber, it is made by artificial or chemical process are also used. So this is synthetic fiber means what? Examples they gave you. Which are they? Nylon, rayon and polyesters are the example. Second is examples. Which are they? Nylon, polyester. These are the example of synthetic fibers. Means this type of material we use in our daily life. Nylon, you know, nylon sarees will be there. Polyester sarees will be there. Polyester shirts will be there. Suits will be there. It is made by synthetic fiber. Means which we use. You know from where it comes from. So it comes from the artificial process. It comes from the chemical process which we wear. Polyester saree, everyone use it. They use the shirts also. Nylon sarees we use. The dresses we use. They come from synthetic fiber. They don't come from plant, or they don't come from animal like wool or cotton. So these examples are very important. Synthetic fiber means what? Nylon, terracotta, etc. etc. So don't forget it. Then where they are? They are mainly obtained from petroleum. Don't forget. From where they obtained? They obtained from petroleum. You know, in 8th standard you learn about this. The crude oil separated from the boiling point. Petrol have different boiling point, kerosene having different boiling point. So we get different type of oils. So from this petroleum we get synthetic fiber. You know, artificially used by chemical means, so petroleum will be used, chemical process will be done, then we get it. But directly they cannot use it. Number of processes will be there. Then what is, why they use it? Nylon only or polyester only or synthetic fiber? This type of clothes, because these clothes cannot have wrinkle on that. Why we use it? Question. When you have the question, then you get the answer. What is the question? Why only we use the synthetic fiber? That type of clothes has specific functioning, so they gave it. So we use it. Which are they? That functioning means we use it. Cotton, everyone knows cotton is very useful, but it is very unuseful also. Why? Because that type of clothes can wrinkling on that type, so we cannot use it again and again. Carefully we can use it, but nylon, polyester, these type of clothes, they don't wrinkles on that, so we can use it again. Different functions will be there. Which are they? We can discuss. First, what is the function, why we use this? So this type of clothes don't have the wrinkles, do not have the wrinkles. But cotton have the wrinkles very urgently in 1 second. You can tie it, you can pick it like this, then wrinkles starts. So this type of clothes we can use it. They don't have the wrinkle. Again, what is the function? Second one, they dry quickly. What? Nylon, polyester, that type of clothes dry quickly as compared to cotton. Cotton clothes, when we get to that, what happened? They dry quickly? No, they took more timing. Then what again? Less absorption capacity. Don't forget, these functioning are very important. Less absorption capacity. They don't absorb more water. Cotton clothes, they absorb more water. Everyone use it, so you know the functioning of that type of clothes. Then, so they do not absorb sweat, so they are not suitable for hot weather. This type of capacity, less absorb capacity, is present in nylon, polyester, so sweat cannot absorb. Then in summer season, sweat can pass from the body. In that summer season, we can use the nylon clothes. No, because that nylon clothes cannot absorb. The function is there. They have less absorption capacity as compared to cotton. So in the summer season only, we use compulsory cotton clothes because cotton has the absorption capacity. Nylon don't have the absorption capacity, but they do not wrinkle. They quickly dry as compared to cotton, but only one less absorption capacity, so we cannot use this type of clothes in summer season naturally or in hot weather. Then last point, they blended with other natural fibers also. Means this fiber can blend, mix with the other fibers also, and new product will be grow. Which are they? They can blended with other natural fiber and better fabric which have strength and breadth to air absorb and sweat also. You know, now only I gave you. They don't have the absorption capacity, so this fiber can mix with the other fiber and new product will be starts, and that product have new functioning. Which are they? This fiber can mix with the other fiber to start new product, and that new product don't have this type of functioning. That product have opposite to this type of functioning. Means that product have the capacity to absorb the water. That product have the quickly dry capacity as compared to this one. Means like the nylon or like the other ones. Means they have breadth with the air absorption. They have absorb the sweat also. And examples are terry cot and terry wool. Which are they? Terry cot and terry wool. Okay, they can absorb sweat. Means absorption capacity can increase here. Why? Because we can add the synthetic fiber with other ones, with other fibers, and new product form. That product means terry cot and terry wool, and these products have the different function as compared to synthetic fiber, so they can absorb sweat easily, and we can use this type of cloth in summer or hot weather. So synthetic fiber, when single they can use it, their functioning is different, and when synthetic fiber mix with other fibers, new product launch, that is terracotta, terrywood, that type of product we can use in other weathers, in other type, because functioning is different. Here up to we can finish a type of fibers, animal fibers, plant fibers, and third is synthetic fiber is finished. In next lecture we see fibers to fabric. So you can read that concepts in your home and then come back to the lesson. So here we stop. I don't give you homework. Your homework means you are reading. Reading is very important. Read the next concept, fibers to fabric. Now we can stop here. Thank you all of you.